Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a very small twisted boutique bow using no templates. This is about 3.5 inches wide. It's made out of 1.5 inch grosgrain. You are going to need 25 inches total of it. This is a really pretty unicorn print that I have. I got this a couple years ago in serious bulk. If I can find it again on AliExpress, I'll link it for you. You're going to need 25 inches of grosgrain. You're going to need a piece of 3/8 to wrap the center. And you're going to need a clip. You're going to need needle and thread as well. Scissors. Lighter. And your trusty glue gun. Not needed, but optional, is some of this really pretty rhinestone mesh to wrap the center, as you can see here. That goes on top of the ribbon, by the way. Alright, so I took my 25 inch piece of 1.5 inch grosgrain. I folded it in half and I made a really nice crease. This is going to help me get these loops even. You're going to start at the right hand side. Form your first loop. This is pretty much just eyeballing it, but this loop you're going to want a short tail. And they're going to take that center and bring it in. This is where the center is important because you know exactly that it's going to be even. Alright, and you're going to start forming the next loop. Bring it and put it under this tail. And keep it even with the loop up above it. And then you're going to bring this up, again keeping the loops pretty even. You're going to have a long tail on this one, but that is fine because we're going to want that long tail. And now I am just fiddling with the loops, making sure they are all even. Alright, this is where we are now. Now you can accordion fold this. You can sew up the center. What I am going to do, and what I do with all of these, is I just run my needle straight up through the center of the bow. Just like that. Pull it through. I have a lot of thread. And I'm going to wrap it around once. Make sure to hold all of your loops together, because if they come crooked and you cinch it up, it's going to be a problem. I like to lay mine flat and hold it with the thread between my fingers. And then I pull tight. Once I have it tight, I'm going to pull it up, still holding this piece tight. And this is about the point where you want to inspect it, make sure it looks the way you want it to. Wrap your thread around a couple more times. And I just realized one of my loops is crooked. Alright, so if you find this out, like me, that you have a crooked loop, try to even it out. Somehow I wasn't too careful when I let go of it. And again, wrap your thread around a couple of times. And you come over to the back. I hold the thread down with my nail. slip the needle under the thread, and then I wrap around a couple more times, pull through, clip off the excess. I mean, knot this really quick. I know that looks really crumpled. Give me a second. The shaping will come, I promise. Just knotting off my thread really quick so I don't lose my needle. It's really bad when you have cats to lose your needle. Very bad. So at this point, it does look like a crumpled mess. This is where the shaping comes in. I'll stick my fingers in the loops, kind of pull. You can also pull back on the ribbon to flatten out the center. Once you're happy, you're going to want to take the tails that you've got, and I'm not happy, but I'm going to get some of these tails out of the way. And you are just going to slant cut the ends. That one did not want to cut for, I think I might need to sharpen my scissors. And reach in here and do the same to this one little piece. If you're not 100% happy with the way it looks, you can clip it. Like if it's not as loopy as you want, you can clip it. I clip from the back. These will not stay on the whole drying process. Don't worry, you're not going to end up with something that looks like this. But spray it lightly, let it get somewhat dry, and then take it out and you can finagle the loops. Sometimes even just putting it in the clips and then spacing out the center actually works. All right, not going to stiffen it yet. The center wrap will help with this too. But you need the clip of your choice as well. I think I might have said that. If I didn't, I'm sorry. But you're going to add the clip of your choice to the back. And then get your center wrap ribbon. Oh, I need to heat seal that really quick. And then you're going to want to wrap the center. This is where I said the center wrapping would help with the shape of it. It just helps secure the center so that as you fluff and shape, that center is far more secure. I'm sorry if you can hear road noise. It's summer here, so we are letting the windows go. I am going to stiffen this, but I just wanted to wrap the center really quick. And then to add the rhinestone mesh I glue as close to the clip as possible and then wind it around the center. And this is what you end up with. Oh, one of my lights went out. But this is what you end up with. Leave that there really quick. Hold on. Well, okay, that light's not working, but this is what you will end up with when the center is wrapped. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video and you would like to see more of this, please like and share. It really helps with the algorithm, gets my new videos noticed. If you are not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and it would really help me, and it's free. And if you are subscribed or you are subscribing, please click the bell notification next to the subscribe button. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the comment section. If you have any video suggestions, please leave those down below as well. Or find us on Instagram, and you can DM me through there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back next time with this really, really pretty bow. We'll be making this one next. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.